Right, now, being, I was going to say a YouTuber, that's probably pushing the facts a bit. Being someone that makes videos and uploads them to YouTube, I said technically as a YouTuber, but anyway, I quite often carry cameras around with me, obviously. But yeah, sometimes something happens, you just wish you were recording. You say, oh, that would have been fantastic video, or bit of video if I'd have been recording. I don't know, I've had two such incidents so far. First one was when I was at the WRC, World Rally Championships in Wales. Not competing, obviously. But I like to get a sweet lamb. And anyway, you got the first lot of actual WRC rally cars come around, and then that's followed by the Welsh. I think it's like the Welsh rally, sort of the local rally. But sort of smaller cars, obviously. Well, not necessarily smaller, but not so professional. And then the next lot, a couple of hours later, the WRC come back round again. I don't know. By then it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I thought I'll go and get out while I can, sort of thing. I've got about half a mile down the road heading back towards Aberystwyth, and there's a section where the rally cars come out and they have to do like half a mile or so down the road to the next stage. So I get half a mile down the road, and these two rally spec Mark II Ford Escorts come out on the road and it's like tear-assing down the road. And I was like, yeah, I think that was the year I first got my Brera. Panic. Yeah, so tear-assing down the road after these Mark II, well, probably weren't actually speeding, after these two Mark II Escorts. I just thought it'd have been fantastic if I'd had the GoPro running. But yeah, so anyway, that was incident number one. Incident number two happened, well, it's a week today now. And yeah, well, I'll just... Yeah, like I say, I just wish I'd had the camera running. But yeah, after it happened, I went and grabbed the camera. So I'll show you the immediate aftermath. Oh dear, I wish I had the camera running. It would have been hilarious. Yeah, here goes. Right. Shakes. Adrenaline shakes. I just had a bit of an experience. I was testing the fuel pump, see if it worked. Spray the fuel out. Suddenly, flames! Here. All up my arm, all over the bike. Oh, right. So I've just gone and douse myself in water. Right, I started trying to flap it out with microfiber cloths. No, that didn't work. Luckily, I had a bottle of, I can't even think what that water was for now. Well, that was when I was doing the Pajero. Big bottle of water there. Look.
The imperial specifications were adopted across the board by the British Aerospace Industry in 2016.
So we've now filled the cylinders up with water. Why did it even light? There's no spark there, is there? It's just down there.
Jobs are at stake here. There's no choice. What do they want?
Perhaps it sparks from the
European Space Agency after
ignition.
You think that's going to happen? Well, sooner it happens, the sooner the ESA can have their Mars lander. It's much bigger than they were expecting.
Right, turn this off.
What a surprise that'll be.
My Salomondrin experience. I was watching that, I was thinking, oh, why don't you just carry a fire extinguisher around with you? And I thought, I really should get some fire extinguishers. I haven't got any fire extinguishers yet. Oh dear. Here. Don't know if the neighbours heard me, probably. I don't think it's actually burnt anything. But yeah, I did. I literally saw this whole project going up in smoke. But I think it was just the petrol actually burning. I don't think it's... Oh dear, got it hot enough to actually burn anything else. You see what I mean? Right, well that's a bugger, isn't it? Turn off the petrol. Good idea. If I hadn't had that bottle of water there, it could have been slightly different. I wish I had the camera running. That would have been really funny. Watching that back. Right. And relax. Oh God. Right, well at least I haven't actually set fire to anything. Well, I can't actually, can't see anything melted. God, the flames are like up here. Like, up in flap. I don't know. See, can you see that? A burn on my shirt. Kind of. But yeah, no, that can't have, because my arm was on fire as well. So I'm guessing it hasn't actually damaged anything in there, because it doesn't actually damage anything here. It's just burning off the petrol. Yes, anyway, right. Why you should always keep the camera rolling. That really would have been a good video, wouldn't it? Right, anyway. Oh dear. I thought I won't record today because I'll just concentrate on getting the thing running and stop worrying about trying to film it at the same time. And then something exciting happens. Which is quite a novel idea in one of my videos, to be honest. Right, anyway. I am waffling. See what I mean? That would have been really quite funny. I could have actually had a video that more than 10 people watched. It's a novel idea. Right, anyway. So I thought, well, that could have gone really wrong, couldn't it? So I've decided I'm just going to sell all my motorbikes. Now, I like to be sort of a bit more rational and logical. Identify the problem, find a solution. My solution is, I don't know, sometimes I really do think I'm quite clever. What a novel idea. Right, anyway, so I've got a powder one. I'm not giving advice on fire extinguishers, but apparently they're for flammable liquids and stuff. And then now I didn't quite think that through, did I? Oh. And then a carbon dioxide one we've got a bit missing. Carbon dioxide one for electrical stuff, but don't take advice from me other than really just get a fire extinguisher. Powder one, how much do you reckon that is? 20 quid. Carbon dioxide one, 40 quid. You could probably, well yeah, don't take advice from me. You could probably just have the powder one. I've actually got two of those. I've got one to go in the car as well. Although I wasn't quite expecting it to be that size. That is rather a bit big in the car. But yeah. So just get a fire extinguisher. It's not until you're there and it happens you just realise how absolutely helpless you are. If I hadn't had a bottle of water there, even if I'd have had to go in kitchen, filled up a bottle of water, come back again, that's going to be, I don't know, 30 seconds. If that had just been burning away for 30 seconds, I could have actually, yeah, properly burnt stuff. Right, anyway. Are we over 10 minutes yet? Right, the other thing is, obviously I got the carbs back in. Right, no flames please, we don't want any flames. Right. Oh, that, yeah, well that wasn't quite the idea, was it? Oh. Now that is quite marvellous. Still not quite running right. Repeat the phrase again. It's still not running right, really, is it? Yeah, that's better though, isn't it? I think it just needs a bit of a tweak. But I reckon that's what it was. The old vacuum thingies, what pull the needle out of the main jet. I think they were a bit sticky. Oh dear, it's a bit, you know. Right. Anyway, yeah. Before I. Yeah, I was going to say drown. 68. Yeah, that's it really. Just get a fire extinguisher,